How to unpin a chat on WhatsApp on Android. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about unpinning any message or chat on your WhatsApp. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of WhatsApp application on your mobile device. And for that, simply go ahead and open your Play Store and then simply search for WhatsApp application. Once you find it, click on it, and if you see an update button over here, simply tap on it to update it to the latest and newest version available. Now come back, open your WhatsApp account, and also make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now here you can see that I have a message at the top. Now to simply unpin this message, tap and hold it. And here you can see the unpin button that is just beside the delete option at the left. Tap on it. And here you can see that the chat has been unpinned successfully. To pin this message again, you just have to tap and hold it, then click on pin. Here you can see that the message has been pinned and you can unpin it again whenever you like. So that's all for this video. This is exactly how you can pin messages on WhatsApp. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.